Hi everybody, my name is Alina, and in today's video I will be sharing with you what I eat in a day. Right now I'm focusing on calorie deficit so that I can lose some weight, and I'm also exercising so I can tone and build muscle. My man's birthday is coming up in 2 weeks and I want to look my best. So if you're also interested in losing weight, wanted to get some food ideas, I will be including my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box like always. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get to the foods. I've been obsessed with these 3-ingredient pancakes. All I do is mash a banana, mix together eggs and oat flour, and a little bit of baking soda to help it rise, and it's incredible. We have strawberries from our garden, and I love putting on top berries with pancakes. So whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, whatever is in season, whatever is good, I'm picking some of the strawberries from our garden, and that's going to be one of my toppings. You have to give these pancakes a try. The ingredients are so clean, basic, it's so easy to make them, and you can mix around different toppings. So I like to put almonds as well to get extra protein, walnuts. I crush them all together and add them on top. I also like to add peanut butter, almond butter. These are all alternatives, or even some yogurt. Lastly, I'm topping with chia seeds and hemp seeds. And on the side, I'm going to have this organic green juice. The ingredients are so good: cucumber juice, spinach juice, kale, apple juice, ginger, and that's it. Apple juice isn't even the first ingredient, but it's so sweet and so delicious. So here is my breakfast. For lunch, we're going to make a salad, and we had some tomatoes that were ready from the garden, so we picked those and we make this Greek salad. I will link it down below. It is so delicious, and I had it with just one piece of steak because, again, weight loss, doing a little bit of a calorie deficit diet at this point, but it was really great and delicious. For dinner, we had a mixture of veggies over rice, just super simple, but we put some teriyaki sauce on it and it was yummy. I even sprinkled some lime. This is the workout that I did today, and it was awesome. Great low impact from my favorite channel, Mr. and Mrs. Muscle. Thank you for watching. I hope you got some food inspiration. I plan to do more what I eat in a day videos as I transition to a healthier lifestyle, healthier diet, and work on weight loss. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!